What if I told you that people are getting rich on YouTube without showing their face, without speaking a single word, and without spending a dime? No, this isn't a scam. It's called faceless YouTube automation. And in 2025, it's the digital gold rush. Grab your hoodie, pour some caffeine, and let me walk you through how I went from $0 to 4 figures monthly using just my laptop, some AI tools, and a hint of stubborn laziness. Let's go! Part 1. What is faceless YouTube automation? Let's break this concept down simply. Faceless YouTube automation is the process of creating and growing a YouTube channel without ever showing your face, using your own voice, editing videos yourself, or spending any money up front. Essentially, you're building a content machine that keeps working even while you sleep, eat, or binge watch your favorite show. The main goal is to automate or outsource every part of the YouTube process. This approach involves using AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, free stock footage, free editing tools, and automated uploading with SEO optimization. And yes, you can begin this journey with $0 in your pocket. No need to sell your childhood collectibles or max out a credit card. The rise of free tools has made it possible for anyone with internet access to build an income stream through YouTube automation. You don't have to be a tech genius either, just consistent, creative, and willing to learn. Part 2, my $0 startup story, step by step. Now, let me walk you through exactly how I started my faceless YouTube channel with absolutely no money. This isn't theory. This is my actual step-by-step experience. Step 1, choose a profitable niche. I went with weird money facts because it was evergreen, super clickable, and didn't risk demonetization. Other popular and profitable niches include celebrity gossip, luxury travel, tutorials on AI tools, and true crime. The key is picking a niche that's in demand, low competition, and endlessly interesting. Step 2, write a script using ChatGPT. I simply asked it to write a YouTube script for a video titled 10 Weird Ways People Make Money in 2025. In seconds, I had a script. Your script is the backbone of your video, so make it snappy and fun. Step 3, get a free AI voiceover. Next, I used free tools like ttsmaker.com and 11 Labs to turn the script into a voiceover. I picked a British accent for the voice because it made everything sound 87% more trustworthy and professional. Play around with different voices until you find one that fits your vibe. Step 4, add free stock video. I went to sites like Pexels, Pixabay, and Videvo to gather free stock footage. I downloaded dramatic close-ups of squirrels, luxury yachts, and people typing intensely, whatever matched the vibe of the script. Step 5, edit with free tools. For editing, I used CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. Both are completely free and reliable. Despite my ancient laptop, they didn't crash most of the time. I kept edits simple, clean transitions, subtle zooms, and subtitles to keep attention locked in. Step 6, SEO optimized title and thumbnail. I used ChatGPT again to generate a catchy SEO optimized title. Then I turned to Canva to create a compelling thumbnail using their free templates. I even tested one with a duck wearing sunglasses, and surprisingly, that video got double the views. Your title and thumbnail are the billboard for your video. Make them pop. Step 7, upload and automate. Finally, I scheduled the video for upload using YouTube Studio. I added keywords with the help of the free version of TubeBuddy. I also created playlists and pinned a comment. Then, I leaned back and let the automation do its thing. My third video reached over 12,000 views in just 1 week. Part 3, real niches and channel examples. Let's check out some real-life faceless channels that are making serious money in 2025. 1. Top Luxury. This channel focuses on luxury travel and upscale real estate. It uses AI voiceovers and stock drone footage. With over 600,000 subscribers, it brings in an estimated $15,000 or more per month. They also make extra from affiliate links to travel gear and hotel booking sites. Second, AI Uncovered. This channel explores AI tutorials and tools. It's fully script-based and faceless. It generates at least $3,000 monthly from a combination of ad revenue and affiliate marketing. They also sell a small ebook on AI tools for passive income. 3. Chill Vibes Study Music. This is a lo-fi music channel featuring looping animations. There are no voiceovers, just relaxing beats. The channel earns revenue from YouTube ads, Spotify streaming, and merchandise sales. Some tracks even got picked up by Spotify playlists. 4. Creepy Countdown. This true crime and horror-themed channel presents top 10 creepy facts. It uses a mix of stock footage and AI narration. Its monetization includes ad revenue and sponsorships. One of their videos on haunted highways hit over 2 million views. Every one of these channels began with a simple idea, a computer, and no fancy equipment or teams. They succeeded because they stayed consistent and created content that people loved. Part 4, Common mistakes to avoid. To save you from painful rookie errors, here are some mistakes I made and learned from the hard way. Don't overcomplicate your editing. Simple cuts and pacing often perform better than flashy effects. Avoid copy-pasting entire AI-generated scripts without tweaking them. Add a little personality to make your videos engaging. Do not use copyrighted music or footage unless you're ready to get hit with copyright strikes. Use royalty-free content from reliable sources. Resist the urge to upload daily at first. It's more important to produce quality content than to burn out early. Even once a week is enough to build momentum. Finally, don't quit before video number 10. Part 5. Monetization without ads. You don't need to rely on YouTube ads to make money. I started earning revenue before I ever joined the YouTube Partner Program. First, affiliate marketing. I began by adding affiliate links to free AI tools in my video descriptions. After just 3 clicks, I made $42. It's one of the easiest ways to earn without needing a huge audience. Second, digital products. I created a downloadable PDF titled 20 Weird Ways to Make Money and priced it at $3. In just 1 week, I made $97. I promoted it at the end of my video and in the pinned comment. Third, Fiverr gigs. Once I learned video editing and thumbnail creation, I offered my services on Fiverr. I charged $50 per thumbnail and even helped others launch their own faceless channels. Fourth, sponsorships. Eventually, a small AI software company paid me $200 to mention their product in a video. That covered my taco budget for the week and gave me validation that I was doing something right. Part 6. The power of outsourcing. When I made my first $100, I reinvested it into outsourcing. No, not into crypto or meme stocks. I went straight to Fiverr. I hired freelancers to write scripts, generate AI voiceovers, edit videos, and design thumbnails. From that point on, the only thing I had to personally handle was uploading the content and sipping my coffee. This is the beauty of faceless automation. Once your channel starts generating income, reinvest that money to make the entire system hands-off. Part 7. Scaling to 6 figures. Now let's talk about how creators scale these channels to 5- or 6-figure monthly incomes. One strategy is to run multiple channels in different niches, such as AI, travel, and scary stories. This diversifies your income streams and protects you from algorithm changes. Another tactic is to batch produce content, create several videos at once, and schedule them across the month. Outsourcing even more tasks helps you focus on the business side. Hire a virtual assistant to manage uploads, SEO, and even responding to comments. This frees up your time to grow your brand. Once your brand grows, you can monetize further with merchandise, courses, or membership platforms like Patreon. Create multiple income pillars to stabilize your earnings. Part 8, final pep talk. Let me leave you with this. The only thing stopping you from building a faceless YouTube channel is effort. You don't need a camera, you don't need money, and you definitely don't need to be Brad with his fancy gear. If someone like me, a master procrastinator who once spilled coffee on their keyboard, can build a successful faceless channel, then you absolutely can too. Here's my challenge to you. Don't just watch this video and move on with your day. I dare you to. Pick your niche today. Write your first script today. Find your free stock clips today. Create and upload your first video this week. You don't need perfect, you need momentum. Action beats overthinking every single time. Part 9. How to find winning video ideas. Finding winning video ideas is easier than you think, but you have to be strategic. Start by using YouTube's search bar. Type in a keyword related to your niche and look at the autocomplete suggestions. Those are what people are actively searching for. Next, spy on successful channels in your niche. Check which of their videos have the most views and ask yourself, can I create something similar but better or with a twist? You can also use free tools like Google Trends to find seasonal topics and answer the public to see the weird questions people are asking. Stay one step ahead by blending trending topics with evergreen ideas. That's the sweet spot. Part 10. How to make your videos go viral. All right, so you've made a video. Now, how do you make it explode like a popcorn bag left in the microwave too long? First, your hook in the first 10 seconds must grab attention. No slow intros, no, hey guys, welcome back nonsense. Dive straight into a big promise, an intriguing fact, or a question. Second, pacing matters. Keep your visuals moving. Every 5 to 10 seconds, change something. A new clip, a zoom effect, a funny GIF. Modern viewers have the attention span of a caffeinated squirrel. Third, tease viewers to stay until the end. Say something like, and at the end, I'll reveal the weirdest trick I found. It's like dangling candy in front of a kid. Lastly, optimize your metadata. Titles, thumbnails, descriptions, and hashtags with keywords and curiosity. If it's not clickable, it's invisible. Part 11. How long until you make money? The golden question, how long until I make money? Well, it depends on hustle, niche, and a sprinkle of YouTube algorithm magic. On average, new faceless channels that stay consistent can hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 3 to 9 months. Some faster, some slower. My personal journey? It took about 5 months to get monetized. By month 2, I was already making $50 to $100 per month without ads. Part 12. How to stay motivated. When views are low, there will be days where your video gets 3 views and 2 of those are your mom and your dog. Here's how to stay motivated. 1. Focus on milestones you can control, like uploading once a week. 2. Celebrate small wins, like your first comment from a stranger. 3. Look at analytics as a science experiment, not a judgment of your self-worth. 4. Remind yourself that every big YouTuber once had videos that flopped. Consistency beats talent when talent gets lazy. Just keep uploading. Drop a comment when you publish your first video so I can cheer you on. Remember, the digital gold rush is happening right now, and you've already got the map. Subscribe for more tutorials, income ideas, and digital adventures. I'll see you on the monetized side.